Well, hello and welcome to section 3 of this course. In this section, we will look at the various options you have to buy and sell cryptocurrency. We're going to discuss types of cryptocurrency wallets, and we will set up your first crypto wallet and ensure that it's backed up from day one. We'll look at cryptocurrency brokerages, centralized and decentralized crypto exchanges, and we'll look in detail at what those tools are and how you can use them to buy, sell, and swap cryptos. We will also look at crypto ATMs and some investment applications that also offer cryptocurrency for sale. Then we'll discuss the peer-to-peer cryptocurrency network where you can buy and sell cryptos directly with other crypto users. And we'll discuss why, at least for now, this is an option you should probably avoid. We'll also have a quick look at a very prevalent type of crypto scam that scammers use to attack your wallets. And I'll show you how you can avoid that ever happening to you. By the end of this section, you'll have your own cryptocurrency wallet set up and secured. You'll have sent your first crypto transfer, and you will be well on your way to opening your own account at your choice of cryptocurrency exchanges and brokerages. Now, I know the first two sections of this course were very theory heavy and hard going in places. In this section, we'll kick back a little, have a little less theory, a lot more fun, and we'll get some hands-on experience using cryptocurrency for real. Okay. There's a lot to cover. When you're ready, please meet me in the next lesson, and let's go.